What's up, guys? So a little update on our Iceland trip. It's about day 6, I think. The weather has been gray, rainy, cloudy, pouring, the worst weather you could think of. I don't know, it's been a fun trip, but it's definitely putting a damper on the mood and the trip in general. But we just got to these basalt canyons. I think they're called Stuðlagjall basalt canyons, I'm not really sure. But the weather still sucks. But we're gonna shoot around here. My drone's been messing up. It's been kind of like wet from the inside. So it's been fogging out every time I try to fly it. So I might borrow Zach's on this one, just put my memory card and batteries in his. But yeah, we're gonna shoot here for what should be sunset. But yeah, gonna get to it and see what we can get. Conditions aren't prime, but maybe we'll be able to work with something. What do you think about how on Instagram this watercolor is the same as Moraine Lake?
This is what you call puke brown.
It's called dirty cereal water.
Looks like the milk left over after you have a bowl of Fruit Loops. Not blue ones.
Yeah, it looks pretty rough.
Yeah.
So most of the trip inside here, right where the lens is, nowhere else, has been foggy. I think it's from when this is flying, it gets really hot and it's really cold and wet outside, plus it's just wet altogether. So normally I get like 30 seconds of flying and then it just, wow, looks nice and foggy. So drone's not working again. When Zach's done, he's nice enough to let me use his drone. So I guess right now I'm just gonna get some stuff from the Sony. Thanks to Zach, I got some drone shots, which you may have already seen at this point, but yeah, I don't know. On Instagram, this spot is definitely blown up in 2019, mainly because that is like this shiny, bright neon orange almost, and this is like aqua blue, and there's normally someone standing like how Brian is in a super epic position. But yeah, the conditions aren't that great, and like super cool spot, don't get me wrong, but as far as Instagram makes it look, like it definitely did not live up to that. And adding to that, where we are, we parked right there and we had to walk like 4 minutes down a hill. These guys on the other side, apparently to get the photo that you see on Instagram, where it's like someone standing, I'll show you guys in a second. You have to hike like 10 kilometers round trip. So in the end, it's just like 10 kilometers. I mean, we were literally watching them recreate the same photo in probably worse conditions. I don't know, kind of all of us are on the same page. Just wasn't as dope as Instagram made it seem, but yeah, normally right here is that photo you see. But nonetheless, we still got some cool drone shots. Cool canyon just to see, but yeah. I don't know, that's it for this one, guys.